Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. Before I continue, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to push that little bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. And if you like the videos, please give them a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate if you do. It just kind of helps me out to do, all these videos. And so let's get to what we have for this video. What I have for you today, I'm trying to hold it so the lid doesn't fly off, because I have no idea what's in here, but as you guys can see, the box is not closing right. So whatever is in here is bigger than the products normally are. So the box is not closing all the way. So we have the Allure beauty box for the month of December. And I remember hearing something about this being a collaboration with Anastasia of Beverly Hills. So I'm excited to see what they put in here, especially seeing that this is not closing all the way. So we have a little pamphlet here with the product information of what we have in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And that little pamphlet pretty much just gives you like tips and the retail prices for what we have in here, and just different information that is useful for with what you get in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one first, and this one is from Kristoff Robin, and it is a scrub cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. And you know what? I've actually used this one before. So this one, it is, if I remember correctly, this one is for your scalp. So this one, it's a scrub, but once you are using it on your scalp, it does lather a little bit. So you get to exfoliate and cleanse your scalp all at once. So this is what the bottle, or not the bottle, what the container looks like. And like I mentioned, this is a shampoo, a scrub shampoo. This is something different. I had no idea what it was when I first got it. But once I used it and I saw that it started to lather up, then I realized, okay, so then it is a shampoo, not just a scrub. So this one is kind of like this is a 2-in-1. So that is the first product from the box. Up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one because it is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Coconut Skin Soothe Priming Moisturizer. I love First Aid Beauty because all of their products are made for people with sensitive skin, which is what I have. Like, if there can be anything wrong with my skin, like I have it. It's sensitive, it's oily, it breaks out when it wants to, it's dry. When, like I can't use certain products because then it will make me break out even more, and I can't use any scents. So these are perfect for my skin, and I really, really love using these because they don't agitate my skin even more than what, it already is. So this is the second product, and I want to say this is a full size. I think this one here is a deluxe size sample, but I think this one is actually a full size. So then I'm seeing 3 different Anastasia products. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one first, and it is their liquid lipstick in the shade Trust Issues. We are finally getting a different color other than that soft nudish pink. This is what our little sticker looks like at the top. And let me take it out so we can see what the actual color on the inside is like. And again, this one here is a full size. So that is a really pretty color. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's their, their typical Anastasia lipsticks. But they're really good. So, that's a really nice color. So this is the swatch here on my hand. That is really pretty, especially for right now, for the holiday season. These lips, or these lip colors, are really, really nice. You can pair them up with a nice golden look, sparkly, and these colors will go really, really nicely with that. So that is one of the Anastasia products. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here, which is the what? The clear brow gel. I don't know where I got crow. So I have not used her gel before, and I want to say this is also a full size. I have not used her brow gel before, but I have heard people really, really like it. So you just get pretty much like a mascara brush, but this one is for your brows, and it is just a clear gel in here. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I don't normally wear, actually let me put it on right now because I don't have any type of gel or anything to hold my brows in place, and my brows tend to get pretty crazy. Ooh, I like how that's going on. My eyebrows have a mind of their own. To begin with, they grow in like different directions. So this part here, they grow up, but then here on the top, they're kind of growing down, which is weird. And then these are just, they're all going their own ways. So this really comes in handy. I don't know if anybody else has that problem with their eyebrows, but my eyebrows are really hard to pretty much get them going all the same way. So I really like this because it's really, really light. And it looks like it's going to keep them in place. So I really hope it does. And so far, first impression, I like it. I don't know if you guys can see any difference. But me from up close, I can tell that they are, going in one direction for once. So let's see. I will see throughout the day if they start going crazy. So that is our fourth item from the box. And then I think we have the palette here, which is what we have at the very, very bottom. And yes, we do. We have the Moonchild Glow Kit. This is the outer packaging. It has a sleeve, so that's the bottom. And let's see what we have. Ooh, those are really pretty colors. So there's no mirror at the top, but we do have 6 highlighters, and they all look really, really nice. I don't see myself using these 2 colors here, the purplish ones, but these 4 here I think are really, really pretty. Let me try to get a quick swatch. Let me see. I hope you guys can see them off on the camera. Okay, so I just did 4 colors here. They all kind of have like a purplish iridescent kind of color. I don't know if you guys can see them. They are really, really pretty. They're a little bit more daring, more out there because of the glow and the shift that they have. But those were all the products from the box. I can honestly say this was a really good box compared to what Allure has been giving us, in the past months. I really, really like this box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think they have a few different variations of this box as well. But let me know if you guys got anything different and what you guys think of this whole Anastasia collaboration. Those were all the products from the box. That is all from me for today. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.